Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, but what we'll be doing here actually we'll apply to Lincoln MKX as well, guys. Why? Because both vehicles share the same platform and many of the components are actually the same in those vehicles, guys. We'll show you where to find the reader for your Immobilezer, guys, for the chip in your key that allows you to start the car and detects if you have the correct key, guys. Also known as the PATS system receiver reader, guys. Stay with us and we'll show you guys where it's located and how to get to it and how to remove and replace it. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation, guys, Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, and you want to get a good deal and save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys, there. It's for your convenience. So let me show you what I'm talking about now. This is a 2009 Ford Edge here, guys, at the shop, and here inside, okay, if we come inside, right here, guys, you have a device that actually detects if you have the correct key in your car. So stay with us, guys. We'll show you how to get to it, what needs to be done in order to remove it and replace it. Not too complicated, but we'll show you guys what needs to be done. So let's go ahead and start on it now. What you need to do first, okay, we need to pull the steering wheel all the way forward, okay, forward like that, and we can just leave it unlocked for now, guys. We'll need to remove that cover on the bottom first, okay, that will be the first thing that we need to do. Torx 25, okay, start looking a bit like this one, guys, and here, okay, we have one screw that we need to remove. Okay, let me see if I can find it. Okay, one screw right there, guys, coming out. I just dropped it. Let me show you what it looks like. This is it. Now we have another screw right here in this hole. Okay, almost almost there, guys. It's like fishing, trying to get it here because I cannot look at it. Second screw coming out. Now the third one is actually a bolt, guys. You have to be extremely careful. This is a bolt, fine threaded bolt. Okay, this one came out as well. Now I'm going to pull the steering wheel, guys. What I'll do, I'll get a plastic panel removal too. Okay, and we need to separate these two somehow, guys. Okay, they have a few clips here. Okay, perfect. Now let me show you. We'll come on this side. We'll do the same thing here, guys. Okay, we need to disconnect it somehow. Okay, let me just grab it with two hands and see if I can do it, because okay, now grab that thing, come around the key, pull that plastic out. You don't need it there anymore, guys. It can come out of the vehicle, okay, just like that. Now we can continue, guys, okay, with the next step here. Now, guys, okay, right here, let me show you guys what we need to do. Here you have one clip that you need to push up, and there is a second clip on the bottom that just came loose. One here, one over there. You can see, not too complicated at all, guys. Now let me show you, okay, what we need to do next. After that, you have to push in here, okay, and disconnect it, guys. And this is the device that actually detects if you have the correct key. Okay, what happens when you put the key in, it actually reads, guys, okay, if you have the correct chip inside. So that way the anti-theft system, guys, the PAT system, passive anti-theft system, knows if actually, guys, the correct key is installed and somebody is not trying to steal your car. Now part numbers could differ, so I always recommend that you check your part numbers, guys, okay, before ordering the parts. We'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can get the replacement one from. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.